Namaskar. Those who practice yoga regularly realizes that when body and mind is in balance and in good health, it is easier to live your life to the fullest. Today, let us look at few asanas to strengthen your lower body and to enhance your brain power. First, Setu Bandh Asana. While practicing this, the back bending posture, the body resembles a bridge. You see, we are born with two natural back bending curves in our body, one at the lumbar and another at the neck. Setu Bandasana is a very beneficial asana which stretches your entire body. It tones your gluteal and abdominal muscles and helps in removal of fat in these areas. Setu Bandasana also helps in calming the mind and removing the symptoms of stress and depression. This happens due to two reasons. One, proper blood circulation. Two, oxygen supply to your brain and nervous system. Next asana is Adho Mukh Svanasana. This is one of the posture of the Surya Namaskar sequences, and it is also translated downward facing dog pose. If you have to do a lot of sitting work, then this pose is a good restorative for your body. Although it provides a complete stretch to your body, it works on strengthening the muscles of your core and lower body. Adho Mukh Svanasana also improves blood circulation to your brain and upper body. If you find this pose challenging, you may do a variation by resting your heels against wall. Third pose is called as Sarvanasana. Sarva Anga means entire body. This is one of the very few postures that is good for all the systems of the body, and especially for the head, which contains your brain. This upside down posture provides excellent drainage of venous blood from the abdomen and the pelvic region. It helps in prevention and cure of varicose veins. As you can see, the force of gravity provides a wholesome effect on various organs of your body and posture. No other asana is more effective for the increase of blood flow to the brain than this posture. This calms your nervous system and makes your mind alert. In the beginning, Sarvangasana may seem a bit difficult, but as you practice, it becomes steady and you can practice it daily. Fourth is Halasan, a plow pose. Here the legs are lifted and placed above head. Here the spine is inverted and there is extra pressure at the throat region. Halasan not only benefits your nervous and digestive system, but it also improves the tone of your genital organ. It helps in relieving constipation, obesity, sexual and menstrual problems, and stiffness of the spine. No other asana is more effective for spine health than this asana. Halasan reduces stress and fatigue, so it keeps your brain relaxed and mind peaceful. But again, like Sarvangasana, this may be challenging for the beginners. You can do a variation by placing your feet on chair behind your head for practice. Fifth posture is Padmasana. Padma means lotus, and your body actually looks like lotus when you do this asana. This cross-legged posture provides a good stretch to your thighs, calves, ankles and hips. It benefits your pelvis and lower abdomen. It stretches your ankle and knee joint. Blood circulation in these areas increases. It improves concentration as your mind remains attentive. With Padmasana, slowly, when you practice more and more this Padmasana, you become like the lotus flower. A lotus blooms very beautifully and is unaffected by the muddy water around it. It rather grows in mud only. Similarly, your mind gains peacefulness and balance by remaining unaffected by the surrounding world. Today, we have seen these 5 asanas which are great for your lower body and your brain. Include them in your yoga practice regularly to get their multiple benefits over the time. Maharshi Patanjali states, स तु दीर्घकाल नैरंतर्य सत्कारा सेवितो दृढ़ भूमि. Therefore, it is only through the regular practice that you will be able to do these asanas perfectly and feel their good effect in your body and mind. Namaskar.